We're making an unshaped passion fruit pudding, made directly in the can without any baking involved. In a container, we'll start by adding 400 grams of cream, followed by 395 grams of condensed milk. Then we'll mix all of these very well. After mixing, we'll add a packet of pre-hydrated unflavored gelatin. We'll mix this thoroughly again and set it aside. Meanwhile, in a pan, place a passion fruit. We're also going to add 3 spoons of sugar here and 50 milliliters of water. Stir it well until it turns into a very thick syrup. This is the right consistency. Now take it off and pour all of it in our can. But if you prefer, you can make this using a regular pudding mold. After this syrup has cooled, we'll pour our mixture on top, then place it in the fridge until it sets. Now using a knife, we'll separate the pudding from the sides and simply flip it onto a plate, and there you have it. Look at this lovely passion fruit pudding. Super fast, easy and delicious. It's beautifully vibrant, perfect for your Christmas feast. I hope you've liked it. This was another recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. A big warm hug, see you next time, and thanks. We're making an unshaped passion fruit pudding, made directly in the can without any baking involved. In a container, we'll start by adding 400 grams of cream,